The one that I'll be using is for sensitive skin. It has a gentle formula that can be used on the face, eyes, and lips. It removes makeup, it cleanses, and it soothes. To begin, I'm going to wet my face, and then I take a pump of the product and I rub it in my hands to foam up. Then I apply it all over my face. For an extra deep clean, I like to use my silicone cleansing brush, and I'm using about half a pump of the gel wash. This product removed my face makeup easily and left my skin very clean. I had to work the cleanser in a little bit more to take off my lip product, but overall it removed everything nicely without any irritation. I used the Garnier Micellar water to remove my eye makeup because since the gel wash slightly foams up, I wanted to be extra careful not to get it directly in my eyes. However, it's safe to use in that area and it should not irritate or sting eyes. Afterwards, my face felt so soft and was very clean. Overall, I love that this gel wash is great for all skin types. Using a little goes a long way. My skin was clean and soothed with no tightness, and it also has a fresh and light scent. So I would definitely recommend trying this out, and if you want any more information about it, just check the description box below, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!